I don't got time for the messing around. We're stuck in the O, but I'm making it out. Say that they got it, I'm testing them out. They hearing it talk, they ain't making a sound. Say they on 10, so I told them let's go. Swear that I mean every word that I wrote. Call me a dog, but I said on the gold. If this the Olympics, I'm taking a gold.
All right, guys, g'day. It is Mike here from America's Garage. We are really pumped to add a new brand to our range, and we have Decked. So all the way from Idaho in the US, we do have Greg, the VP of Marketing. You're one of the original Deckers.
Yes.
And look, this is a really cool product range. It's all about organizing the chaos in the back of your vehicle. So we've got everything from CargoGlides, a drawer system, a gnarly toolbox that's now just been released, and also a whole range of storage boxes and cases. So we're gonna kick it off first with Greg here. Do you want to give us a quick history around Decked, how did it come to be, and essentially what your ethos is all about?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're all about making the back of your truck more useful. The original product, our drawer system, was actually inspired by a bunch of guys that were building these things out of wood, screwing it together. We productized that, really useful, common form factor into an injection molded, waterproof, weatherproof, super durable, dust resistant, drawer system that can store your gear and tools, and you can get to it without crawling the back of your truck. It's a product that works great with a tonneau cover or a cap, and or just on its own. It's perfect for Australia, just like it is here in Idaho.
Yeah, that's awesome. Look, so we're going to kick it off first with the CargoGlide. So it wasn't the signature product, it's something that came into the range as well.
It's a signature product for sure, and this is the whole idea here, is just that you have things in the back of your truck that you want to get access to, and you don't want to crawl in the back of your truck. We want you to keep your feet on the ground. So the CargoGlide, this is the 600. So it's got about a 200 kilo payload, a 300 kilo payload.
300 kilo payload.
It's called the 600, so 600 pounds. And this is a half width, fills up half of your bed. You can put two of these side by side. We also make a full width CargoGlide that's one big sliding tray. And it's a really great way to secure a fridge, or if you got a welder, compressor, if you're a tradie, whatever you're doing, just an awesome way to get in the back of your truck and get your gear out to you. This also can be mounted on top of the drawer system using our tie down brackets. And that's a really easy way to give yourself two sliding surfaces, so you really never have to crawl in the back of your truck again.
Yeah, so spot on. Like, this has been an absolute amazing change for me. Previously, I had a fridge slide and I was always crawling or sending my kids to the back of the truck. I got busted knees, but now it's really awesome being able to have the accessibility, have all the storage cases at the back. It's extremely durable. It definitely has that nice premium feel to it, and it's a very smooth in and out as well. The fact that it locks along the way as well, that's quite handy, especially if you're parked on a bit of a gradient. You don't have all your tools coming out and coming at you fast.
Yeah, and like Mike said, you can strap things to it, you can screw things to it if you have stuff you never want to have come off of there. It's a marine grade plywood that you can't really see underneath here, but it's covered with a TPU thermal top sheet that keeps the plywood nice and clean. Along the side, you have these accessory tracks. We have D-ring tie downs in here right now. We also make a high side, which is a cargo divider that can go around it so things won't spill out if you don't have things lashed down. And it's just a really practical way to get, once you have a cap or a tonneau cover on your truck, you're gonna need to get stuff out of the back because you can't reach it anymore, and this is a great way to bring everything to you.
Yeah, so some of the feedback we've had with the full or the half width CargoGlides is if you do have a tonneau cover and you need to access stuff to the back, you no longer need to, if you have the electric one, wind it all the way open or flip it open. If you have one of those backflip tonneaus, it's quite easy to access your whole tub by bringing everything out to you. But speaking of bringing everything out to you, you also have the accessibility of the Decked drawers. These are phenomenal. It's actually a really cool product. It's evolved a lot over the years, and honestly, the feature set out of this is phenomenal.
Yeah, this is the product that was inspired by MDF or plywood storage systems in the backs of trucks. This is high pressure injection molded HDPE, so it can live outside. It has a payload that's about 1,000 kilos. It weighs as much as me, so it's 200 pounds. It's 1,000 kilo payload. So the strength to weight ratio is really appealing. It does not affect your suspension in your truck that much, which is a really big plus. And you don't have to drill any holes into your truck bed or do any modifications that use your bed tie downs. And really what it does is it gives you two full bed length drawers. You can store your tools, your gear, your recovery gear, first aid, whatever it is. We also make these cases. This is the 6er. It's just a nice toolbox. It's designed to fit into the drawer super conveniently. This is the half rack, and this is another case that we make, a little bit bigger. It's just another great way to segment your storage. You can stack these up in your garage, and then when it's time to go, you can just drop them back into your drawer and you're on your way. The drawer organizer sits here in the front. Little extra tool. There's a great place for like bug spray, sunscreen, tie down straps, what have you. So you can really customize the drawers however you want. They do keep the dust out, they keep the water out, anything falling from the sky, car wash, whatever, everything is secure and dry inside your drawers. And like I said, it's got a 2,000 pound payload or 1,000 kilo payload on top and 100 kilos in each drawer. So it's a really great way for you to get the most access and utility out of the truck bed.
Yeah, so one of my favorite things is this isn't just a drawer system, it's a full storage ecosystem that you're creating here. So typical drawer systems, they're gonna send you with a set of drawers covered in marine ply carpet. So you've got marine ply covered in the marine carpet, but these actually come with the storage cases that Greg just showed us before and the drawer organizer. So you already have the start of your collection of decked cases. Obviously you can add to the range and add all these extra cases in here. And the other cool thing is you've also got these side access mounts here as well for additional storage. What are they called, Greg?
These are stash bins. I think it's pretty important to kind of also talk about these tie down loops that you get on the top so you can lash loads down on the top of this. These are integrated, they're connected to the steel. This connect to your truck bed, and just next to them are the stash bins. These are really handy. These things pop out. You can put your empty beer cans in there, or maybe something more useful like toe straps or whatever you have. They come out, and if you don't want to run them, you actually have a big space along the side. You can slide long things in there, like, you know, fishing rods and tubes and that kind of thing, or a builder's level, story pole, whatever you got. But that's just another little way you can get a little bit more organized and dialed in with your truck bed setup. Those are the stash bins. These come with every drawer system. Like Mike said, we give you kind of a nice starter kit of accessories when you purchase the drawer system. You will get a sixer, the storage case. You'll also get 2 dividers. These help you like create segmented storage inside your drawers. And then with the drawer system, you're also going to get the half rack and the drawer organizer I just showed you. Another really cool feature about the drawer system is they're lockable. So we sell locks that go right here. They're a keyed lock. And if your tailgate doesn't lock, that's a nice way to secure the load from pesky thefts. And if your tailgate does lock, it's just another added layer of protection so that whatever's inside the drawers stays there. The other nice thing about it is you can't see it when you're walking through a parking lot. It's kind of hidden out of sight, and it's just a really good way to secure all your expensive tools or gear or whatever you're trying to carry around.
That's perfect. And then also the lock system does work on the stash bins as well, I believe. I'm yet to actually do it. So that's the other thing. If you have precious cargo in these stash bins, you know, they're all going to be nice and secure as well. So that's really cool.
And you can't remove the drawer system unless you've taken out a drawer. So it's actually locked inside underneath the bed lip. And like Mike said, those added locks just give you more security in the corners as well.
So speaking of security and something really cool, these cases, obviously we've got the tan ones on display here. So at America's Garage, we're excited to release the full range. We've got all the different colors that are now coming through, but explain the decked cases. Obviously you're very well versed with different plastics and resins. What's so special about these decked cases? Yeah, so
this is like I said, this is the sixer. They're made from a really high impact resistant polypropylene. These are high pressure injection molded. For opening the drawers, you don't have to unflip 2 latches take your hands off. You can just open it using this clutch latch. And then it's got an integrated carry handle that gives you like the ability to carry it around like a lunchbox, I guess you could say. There's a little basic tool tray that comes inside. This is a great place for those tools you use every day, fishing stuff, whatever. It's got a seal around the top, so when it's closed, they're pretty much watertight. And then this is a really cool little cheap bin. Cheap in the sense it doesn't cost very much, but it's really durable, it's super rugged. It's got a 150, 200 pound payload, so 100 kilo payload on the lid, and same in the tub. And it's just your basic, it's great for kitchen equipment, snacks, toe straps, whatever you got to store and keep, you know, kind of segmented from everything else. That's a payload. These also come, this is a 32 liter. That comes in a 64 liter option and a 133 liter option, so quite big. Mike's just waiting for his boat to come in.
Super excited for that, yeah. Look, the storage case has definitely got me really excited. For me, I do love playing around different colors to organize my stuff accordingly. It's easy for me to go tell my wife or kids, go get the green case out, and you know, I know exactly what's in all of these things as well, which is cool. So
exactly.
The payloaders are definitely a product where we're starting to see a lot of the stores here. It's pretty easy to go get a plastic storage bin, but the fun fact is that a lot of them are already broken in store. So with these ones, they're gonna last you a very long time. You know, spend your money once, and as you said, like 100 kilo payload on top of them. That's absolutely
You can
wild.
jump up and down on top of these things. And yeah, they're a little more expensive than what you buy at the department store, but we kind of say buy once, cry once. So this will last you a lifetime. It's got a lifetime warranty. It's the only storage bin that's got one. Wow. It's also pretty cool and probably nice to know that like the size and shapes of these, they actually lock into each other. So they create a stack. So the geometry of all of our cases create a stack. So if you want to stack these in your garage or at the boat ramp or wherever you're going, they're not going to slide off or tip over and fall over. So it's like, that's pretty cool. And then in the back here, we have the Honcho. This is the big boy. This is a great case for longer tools. Some firearms will fit in here, shorter firearms. If you're into archery hunting, comes with a, you know, it's a perfect size for your bow. It comes with dividers, or you can also get it with puzzle foam. And that gives you another cool opportunity to organize and segment all your gear. So wherever you're going, you're pretty much dialed in all the time. These fit in the drawers, and they also will ride on top of your drawer system or your CargoGlide.
Awesome. And how well are these resistant to weather? Are they waterproof? Obviously, you've got the seals that go around on the lid. How's that? Because that's the big concern that a lot of people have here, is getting dirt, dust, sand, and water inside their stuff. Yeah,
anything that's like flying around the air is not going to get into these things. I mean, I wouldn't take this into the harbor and swim down, you know, 3 meters and think it's going to stay watertight. But for most applications, whatever you're doing, this is a great way to keep your stuff secure, dry, and out of the elements.
And the other cool thing as well, these are also lockable. So you've got the lock that's on here, and then you've also got the padlock sections as well. So if you have some precious stuff in there you don't want, you know, little hands to get into, it's a handy thing for you to be able to do.
Just locks, comes with a lock. These latches are really slick. They let you also open it up in the drawer.
So we are at the Jamboree at the moment, the American Truck and Van Jamboree. Excited to have you out here. So one of the products we don't have on display at the moment is the Toolbox. It's in our showroom. Absolutely really cool product. You've just launched this year and already won a bunch of awards for it, I believe.
Yeah, it's been turning some heads. It's been selling out. We're having a hard time, like honestly, keep it in stock in the States. And it's a whole new process and material for that category. It's a compression molded SMC. And that's some of the most durable, rugged material you can find. No seams, it won't dent, won't rust, won't leak. Basically waterproof as well for the back of your truck, lockable. And it's made from the same material that they make skid plates for like cat diesel equipment out of. So it's like really, really bomber. And it'll last a lifetime of your truck, or probably several trucks.
That's awesome. And I think there's like some pretty cool payload that you can have on it. It's about 300 pounds on top, so about 150 kilos on top, and 600 pounds inside as well.
More than you can fill it with. It's like
awesome.
If you filled the toolbox that size with it, you have to fill it with concrete.
I think my favorite feature of the Toolbox is the elbow opening. They got these big latches out on either side. You can easily go and bump that. The latches are going to automatically open the lid itself, and it's lockable as well. So it just means essentially if you've got an opportunity where you need all your tools to be held in the back of your tub, but you don't want to put a tonneau cover or a cap on top and still utilize the whole tub, it's actually quite easy to install and remove once you're able to unlock it. So
that's right.
It's a really good system.
Well, and like pickup trucks, there's all kinds of people have all kinds of uses for them. So between the CargoGlide, the drawer system, the Toolbox, and all these cases, we pretty much have a way to handle anyone's particular use case in the back of their truck.
Awesome. Now, let's just figure out a few quick use case scenarios. How would you set up your truck? So let's just say if you're the daily tradesman, right? So you've got a standard tub, you've got a few heavy tools that you want to pull in and out every day, and then you've also got some stuff you want to lock up. What would that configuration look like in the back of a, say, call it a Toyota Hilux.
Yeah, most guys in that situation will put a drawer system in. That'll be your base layer for all your small things that you want to lock up and keep out of the elements. And they'll put a CargoGlide on top of that. That gets you like access to all that stuff from the bed of your truck. You can actually, like I said, you know, connect things to it, secure things to it. That kind of gives you the perfect situation where you're not crawling in the back of your truck. Everything's organized. And then when you need to go change things, if you're, you know, most guys like work during the week and go do something fun on the weekend, you can just take your cases out, take your bins out for the work week and put all your recreational equipment or your camping equipment or what have you in there, and you're off to the races.
And then if you had something that is big and heavy, but you don't want to utilize the height of a drawer system, would there be a great solution where maybe you're running a CargoGlide and the toolbox as well? So you got the lockable storage for all of your tools, and then you got the CargoGlide to pull out your cement mixers and anything else that you have on top.
Yeah, it really just depends on what you're putting in that thing and how you're trying to use your truck. But there's basically a way to figure out, you know, we say better together, so everything we make is designed to kind of create an ecosystem. We call it the decosystem. And that is just how you can think about just about every trade-off you might have. There's a way for us to kind of overcome that and make sure your truck is dialed in for what you're doing with it.
No, I absolutely love this stuff. As I said, I'm an organized, neat freak. I like to have everything in its right pace. So really excited to add the decked system to the America's Garage world of products, and we're super stoked to have you out here as well. Like the product roadmap of what's to come in the future is looking very exciting.
Yeah.
And we just absolutely hope to do you guys justice out here and, you know, get decked into the back of as many trucks as possible.
No, absolutely. And I think it's also worth noting, we make a drawer system, we make a CargoGlide, a toolbox for pretty much every truck you've got here on the road in Australia, whether it's a, you know, Toyota Hilux or a Mitsubishi or what have you, or even when these guys are driving around American trucks, we've got a drawer system and a CargoGlide that'll fit in any of the vehicles you'll see around here.
That's awesome. So if you guys want any more information, go to americasgarage.com.au or go to deckedaustralia.com.au and you'll find all of our stock held in our headquarters in Queensland, but we've also got the new offices as well within Melbourne and Perth as well. So you're going to find stock around the country and it's quite easy for us to ship them out to you. So any other questions, go to the website and we'll gladly help you out.